In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos on Canva. We'll move step by step so you can confidently make your images brighter, sharper, and more polished without feeling overwhelmed. Start by opening your Canva project and clicking the photo you want to edit. As soon as you select the image, you'll notice a contextual toolbar appear. Look for the option labeled Edit Photo, or something similar depending on your version. Click that, and you'll open Canva's editing panel with all the tools we'll use. Begin with the Adjust controls. You'll see sliders for brightness, contrast, saturation, shadows, highlights, and more. Think of brightness as overall light, contrast as separation between light and dark, and saturation as color intensity. Shadows and highlights let you recover detail in darker or lighter areas. Make small, gradual moves and watch the image as you go. If you're not sure where to start, try Auto Adjust for a quick baseline, then refine from there. The goal is to enhance, not overdo it, so keep an eye on skin tones and natural colors. Next, refine your composition with Crop Resize. Click Crop and drag the edges to reframe the subject, bringing attention to what matters most. Guides often help you align your subject cleanly. If your design needs more room around the image, try Magic Expand to intelligently fill extra space. This is helpful when you want a wider background or need to fit a specific layout without stretching the photo. Let Canva handle the fill, then review the edges to ensure everything looks seamless. Now explore Effects Filters. Preset filters offer quick stylistic looks. Apply one, then use the intensity slider to dial it in so it complements your brand or mood. For more creative control, try custom effects like duotone to create a bold, stylized color treatment. If you need to isolate your subject, the background remover can cleanly separate the foreground from the background, perfect for product shots or profile images. After applying effects, it's smart to revisit the Adjust tab briefly to keep colors and exposure balanced. If something doesn't look right, don't worry. Use the Undo arrow to step back, or head to the Adjust tab and click Reset to revert all your changes in one go. This safety net makes it easy to experiment with confidence. That's it. Thanks for watching.